What's up YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we got some exciting news. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm talking about afterwards, but first we're gonna talk a little bit about the 6th Gen K-Swap. So we are finally insured and roadworthy. We can go on the road and drive. Today we're gonna take our first drive on the road with it and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna bring Alexandra along with me and get her impressions because she is a 90s Honda fan. It's been a hell of a ride and honestly it's amazing that the car is actually ready to go. Let's check it out. I'm gonna share some information about it and let you guys know because we did have a few issues off camera that I'm gonna talk about today. This is how she's sitting. Very nice. Still gotta fix the suspension and lower it a bit more, but for now it looks pretty good. We were having a issue within the wheel well. I kept hearing a bit of a ching 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 kind of noise. Figured it out. It's something as simple as the wheel weights. I know I don't know why I'm telling you guys, but I'm just sharing all the information about this build with you guys. So we fixed that. The car was having a lot of trouble starting. We couldn't figure it out. I was getting great fuel pressure and we even added grounds and everything and still couldn't figure out the issue. So we ended up changing out the starter and that was it. So the starter's on. And today you guys are gonna hear the first official starts with the new fused exhaust. So I didn't get to record this, I apologize guys, but it is 2.5 and it's an Apexi exhaust and it actually sounds hella good. It suits our sleeperish style needs and we are going to give this a start, check it out, and I'm gonna show you guys what's up. I know I need an alignment battery, but we can still go for a drive and see, make sure we have no issues. The interior is pretty much all back together, OEM to the max. If you guys can tell, everything looks pretty good, a little dirty, but aside from that, everything with the car, even the OEM stuff is in mint condition, really good. Guys, I did a purchase that I somewhat am excited about, but somewhat kind of is like, I don't know. Let me show you. I got Crocs, god damn it, it's a little dirty, but I got myself some Crocs. This is good for walking around the garage, working on the cars and doing dumbass shit. But there's a Croc. I'm gonna add one Croc with those, I think they're called gibbets, full of some anime stuff that I like, and the other one's all gonna be JDM style. But what do you guys think? You guys rock Crocs? You guys part of the Croc gang? Stay tuned. I will be doing a full modless video on the car. It's been a little while now. I have a lot of stuff done to it. I was actually gonna do 0 to 60 drag time on this car with the draggy system, but it rained today and it's gonna rain all week. So the next couple of videos, you'll definitely see some content for the 10th Gen. And I know you guys have been dying for that. It's coming. I apologize. The 6th Gen is taking a lot of it, but this is coming, I promise you. I'm going to get the startup for you guys, and you guys are gonna hear from inside the car and outside the car. I'm super excited to take this on the road, and hopefully we don't have any major issues and we don't break down. Let's get to it. We're gonna start her up and you guys can hear her. As you guys can hear, the car isn't loud at all, at all. I'll give it some revs and stuff like that and you guys can really hear it, but the car is not loud at all and I'm happy about that. The laws and everything here in the GTA in Canada by Toronto has been getting super strict. I want to stay low key and not on the radar of the cops and everything. And yeah, let's get some revs and see how she sounds. The car is actually super quiet for what it is. You would never expect the case off. That kind of sounds like a D-Series-ish. So I'm kind of happy about that. So it's sick. It's sick that we've been working on this for so long, and it's finally out, insured, on the road. We're going for our first drive. You guys don't like, if you guys don't understand the excitement I have, like one day you will. If you build something like this, like a lot of hours, sweat, blood, and tears from Alex and I have gone into this. A lot of good people has helped us out too with questions and everything, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who's helped out with this build so far. Donating parts or technical questions, I appreciate all of you. Thank you. I'm excited. I'm excited to tell you guys what is going on with my life too. A big change has happened, and I'll tell you guys near the end of the video, so stick around for that. I think it's something that you guys may be interested in also, because it may benefit you. So, check it out. And for all you guys wondering about the 20K giveaway, it's still happening. A lot of back orders and a bunch of stuff. I'm trying to figure things out and get a good 20K giveaway, something that a lot of you guys might be interested in, and well worth the wait, so trust me, I still have that on my radar. The car is currently on a base map, so I'm not going to be ripping it much, just because I don't want to damage anything yet. It's not tuned yet, and yeah, but we'll just drive in and see how it goes. Sounds pretty healthy to me so far, and yeah, like crazy. After all this motor work and everything's done, we'll get to it, and then we'll start working on some aesthetics. I got a cool SIR cluster to install also, and we'll get some cosmetic mods done and make it look really nice. All right, so we're in the car. Alexandra's gonna hold the camera. She's gonna get her first impressions. Nice Crocs too there, bud. Croc gang, hey gang. I'm so old. We're dumb and old. We're dumb. All right, so this is going to be the first impressions for Alexandra and I. So Alexandra, you can speak behind the camera if you like, but she would like not to be on camera today. So we shall respect her wishes and let there be lights.
Oh, finally.
Guys and girls, we are driving the K-Swap. And it's driving good. Alignment, obviously, as you guys can see, alignment's really bad. And I need to open this window because it is getting hot. Alignment's really bad, but nonetheless, it is driving pretty good. Signaling, working. We have an operating vehicle here. I guess Alex and I know how to do a few things or two, eh?
Would you look at that?
Look at that. We know how to do a few things or two, eh? It's only gonna get bigger and better from here. Alexandra just looking at me behind the camera, so I look at her, I look at you, I look at her, I look at you. I'm way too hyped for this right now. As you guys can tell, the car is actually driving pretty good. Look at that. Look at that go. I'm not gonna rip it yet or anything because we don't know what's going on. I gotta really get used to this clutch again, because this was the clutch that came in Alex's RS6 and it was really high. If you watch that RS6 video where we actually installed this Q20 shifter, you'll see that, you know, it took a little bit to get used to, but look at me, Mom. Look at me go. It's really nice to see this car on the road. Being on jack stands for many months and now being on the road driving, like, the excitement is real. I'm really happy. I didn't get the 370 and I did this build. Like, I learned a lot, and you can't replace learning, but this is sick. And I haven't hit this yet. Let's go 6th gear. 6th gear!
Get up! Gear!
6th gear! Let's go! Smiles! A Honda never made me smile so much. Little downshift. We're gonna see if we can get a bit of pull, so I'm not gonna try pulling too hard. The car is not tuned, as you guys know. And windows are open and closing because it's getting hot and cold, hot and cold.
Look at this guy with that smile. Look at this guy.
Yo, you can hear it wants to go. It wants to move. Get it, it's a little bit of a second gear. That was like quarter throttle, but my god, it isn't moving nice. Let's go. I'm so hyped for this. You guys don't even know. This car, look at that. It's like literally nothing. The car's moving. It wants to go. You can tell. I really need to get an alignment. That's gonna happen this week. But god damn!
Look at that.
This. But god damn! What do you guys think about the steering wheel cover? I think I might keep it. I like it. No, I'm gonna get an aftermarket steering wheel. Damn, this is sick.
Speed bump. Oh, Christ. There's another bump.
Yo, GG. Once this thing's around like 300 to 500 horsepower, GG. The CSX wouldn't stand a chance. I can tell that the car is dying to go already. It wants to move. Honestly, guys, I got such good plans for this car. You guys like the CSX? This is gonna be 10 times better. You'll see. I want to make some big power. Eventually, we're gonna work our way into power. We're gonna be 300. After 300, we're gonna go 5, and then we'll see where that progresses. But 300, I think underneath this shell is more than enough. But got to get used to the shifter too. You can tell that we're burning, not clutch or brakes or anything. The car's just been sitting for a while, so it's not that we need to break it in, but it has to. It's getting broken in a sense. But we got an engine light on. That's gonna get fixed. Speed sensor's working and everything. This short shifter, Alexander, get down here. Look at that. This short shifter, look how like well designed this is. Look how close it gets, but it's just so perfect. Look at my hand, look at the AC. Eventually you might hit it, but like, look at those throws. So perfect. So perfect. God damn. Alexandra, what do you think so far?
You're stressing me out.
Why am I stressing you out? What's there to
I can't look at the road when you drive.
Why?
Going too fast. And that steering wheel on a 45 like that.
It's just the wheels are straight. It's just a steering
No, I know.
Well, they're not really straight, but they're straight-ish.
Yeah,
right?
Nice. That's great. That's safe.
Just one toes out a bit.
That's okay.
What do you think about the 90s Honda? You enjoying it?
Yeah, it's okay so far.
Takes you back. You also just need some Euro Chino pizza.
Yeah, then you don't need to sit.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna get some gas because I need some gas, and I'm gonna meet you guys at home. We'll get some shots of the car on the outside so you guys can check out how it's looking. But I am stoked for this build. It's just getting better. My God. You guys are wondering, the 10th gen is still here and we still got mods coming. We got a few that just came in. A lot of things have been on back order, so stay tuned for that. And I'm pretty sure you'll like the mods that I have for this. But this is definitely going to be getting a buff by DC Auto Spot very soon. And let's talk about some important stuff. I just want to say thanks so much for coming this far into the video. I appreciate it. So we got some exciting ass news. First, again, the 20K giveaway is still happening. I'm just getting all the things and all the components together. It's taking a little longer than usual because of the C word that's delayed everything in life. Secondary, I currently am employed by a new employer. So I used to work in the millworks and do YouTube, so I used to do all this cabinetry and all that stuff. I used to do that fun, not so fun stuff. And now I am currently working with Garage 16. Yes, Garage 16. A lot of you guys know what Garage 16 is. I am working there full time, Monday to Friday. We ship to the US and everywhere, so if you have any products, any parts, anything you need, I'm your plug now, so hit me up. Partnering up with Garage 16 is the best thing that I could have done for myself. Honestly, like, I've always wanted to immerse myself fully in the automotive industry, and this is where I'll be working in an aftermarket parts shop. So Garage 16, we sell all these aftermarket parts for all these types of cars. Our specialty is JDM, so I'm learning a lot, and I got hookups on parts and everything, and it's amazing. I am so happy to work there. I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who supported the channel and supported me. This will only elevate and escalate the channel further, and that just means things are going to get bigger and better. I promise you. Slowly but surely, things will happen, like I always say. But yeah, I am super hyped, and I wanted to tell you guys that. But that is the big news, and I hope you guys are excited as I am. That just means we're gonna have way more content. We're gonna do product reviews and stuff like that, and stay tuned to both Garage 16 and myself. Plugs are right here for Instagram, and then you'll see that, you know, I will be doing product reviews on a whole bunch of products and give you guys some insight to stuff, and I will have all the download of all the parts and everything coming in. So I am super hyped for that. Thank you, Garage 16, for making me part of your team and a full-time employee like that. So we'll be doing car stuff all the time. All right, guys. How'd you guys like the sound of the new 6th Gen K-Swap? Did it sound like a K-Swap to you? It kind of didn't sound like a K-Swap until we kind of went and we accelerated a little harder. Once again, it is not tuned. We are going to get tuned soon. This is actually going to get tuned before 10th Gen. 10th Gen has a safe base map that is working absolutely fine. This does not yet. This has a base map, but it's not to its potential. But let me know what power numbers you guys think this is going to make down below. I think 215 to the wheels, maybe that's a little shy. I still want to do RDX injectors, and I got a good friend hooking me up with some RDX injectors. We're just going to do it right before we get on the dyno, and pretty much just get an alignment. But it is driving. Are you guys hyped to see this thing driving? As you can see in the video, I certainly am. I think this thing's going to rip. I was barely accelerating and this thing was flying already. This thing is basically a tin box on wheels. Hell yeah! And it's just going to get faster, like I said. It's gonna get tuned, we're gonna drive it, we're gonna enjoy it, we're gonna upgrade it, make it faster, make it look better, and I think next year we'll get it painted. Either painted Milano red again, or a different sort of red, or we shall wrap it. Let me know what colors you guys wanna see. If we wrap it, make sure that you keep in mind my bay will stay red. I can change the valve cover, so the bay will stay red. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had some awesome content today. We showed you how the K20 Civic is sounding, and it's sounding absolutely amazing. And you guys saw a little bit of attention, and more attention content is coming. 20K giveaways coming. My new job at Garage 16 is here, and that just means more content for you guys. I'm super hyped, super stoked. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I just want to say you guys are the best. Whoever stuck to the end, you guys are OGs, and you guys are the best. Thank you. Once again, make sure you do it once, you do it right. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, and later. Crop gang for the win.